There are days when the sky feels like it's falling on you, when even getting out of bed feels like climbing a mountain. The world seems dim, your thoughts heavy, and your heart quietly begging for rest. You look around and everything feels like it's moving too fast, leaving you behind in the slow ache of uncertainty. But it's in these fragile moments that the Japanese philosophy of Kibō no Hikari, the light of hope, begins to whisper softly. It reminds you that even in the darkest clouds, the sun is still there, waiting to shine again. Kibō no Hikari is not about pretending everything's fine. It's about learning to breathe in the middle of chaos. Like a candle flickering in the wind, it doesn't deny the storm, it simply refuses to go out. When life feels unbearable, remember, you don't have to be strong all at once. You just have to keep your flame alive, even if it's only a small trembling light. Because that light, however faint, will guide you home. In Japan, there's a quiet beauty in imperfection, called wabi-sabi. Kibō no Hikari is deeply connected to this way of seeing. When life breaks you open, it's not the end of your story. It's the start of a new shape, a different kind of beauty being formed. Think of kintsugi, the art of repairing broken pottery with gold. The cracks are not hidden, they're celebrated. Each fracture becomes a path where light enters. Maybe your life didn't go as planned. Maybe you're standing among the pieces, wondering how to start again, like Kibō no Hikari remind you. Those cracks are your map. They show where you've been strong enough to survive. When you feel broken, don't rush to fix yourself. Let the light seep in through your wounds, because one day those scars will shimmer like gold, proof that you were never truly destroyed, only transformed. No night lasts forever, even the longest winter eventually meets spring. This truth sits at the heart of Kibō no Hikari. When everything feels lost, remember, life moves in rhythms. The darkness you're walking through now isn't permanent, it's part of the cycle. It's just as cherry blossoms fall each year only to bloom again, you too will find your season of light. In the silence of your struggle, hope doesn't always shout. Sometimes it waits quietly in a friend's message, in a deep breath, in the way morning light touches your face. Kibō no Hikari teaches that hope doesn't always come with fireworks. Often, it's soft, like dawn breaking over the mountains. So when you can't see the light, trust that it's still on its way. The dawn always finds those who keep walking, even with trembling steps. Hope isn't always a grand revelation. Sometimes it's as small as the sound of rain against your window, the warmth of tea in your hands, or the smile of someone who understands. Kibō no Hikari invites you to notice these gentle details, the tiny sparks that make life bearable when everything feels too much. The Japanese find beauty in simplicity, in moments so small they could be missed, yet powerful enough to heal. When you slow down and truly see, you realize that the light never left. It was always here in the simple rhythm of breathing, in the pulse of your own heart. Even when you're lost, these moments are proof that you're still alive, still capable of feeling, still capable of beginning again. Sometimes survival looks like a quiet cup of tea and the courage to face one more sunrise. There will be times when your flame feels weak, when you can barely hold on. But that's when the beauty of connection shines brightest. In Japanese culture, the light of hope is not meant to be carried alone. When one candle flickers, another can lend its flame. Kibō no Hikari grows stronger when shared in kindness, in empathy, in small gestures that remind someone they're not alone. Maybe your words, your smile, or your presence can become someone else's light. Hope doesn't just heal the one who receives it. It strengthens the one who gives it. So when you feel powerless, remember, you can still be someone's sunrise. Even the smallest light can change the shape of darkness. That's the quiet miracle of Kibō no Hikari. The more you share it, the brighter the world becomes. At the end of every storm, there's a moment of stillness, a deep exhale, where everything feels clear. Where Kibō no Hikari lives. It's not about escaping pain, it's about carrying your light through it. Life will always bring seasons of loss and uncertainty, but within you, there's a light that no darkness can fully extinguish. The Japanese say that even the faintest glow can lead you out of the night, if you dare to believe it's yours. So when life feels heavy again, remember this. You are the light you've been looking for. You've walked through fire and still stand. You've broken, but you've rebuilt. And somewhere inside you, the quiet flame of Kibō no Hikari continues to burn, a reminder that no matter how dark it gets, hope is never truly gone. It just waits for you to look inward and believe again.